Welcome everyone to this video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can select products. Selecting of products, colors, quantity and size. That is know how you can know the the quantity of product, the color and then the size or weight of any product you want to buy on 1688. Now I'm going to be using a product here. I'm going to be choosing a random product here on 1688. Probably the one that we have many colors for better understanding of what I will be explaining. Right, so I'm trying to look for a product. Okay, okay, okay. Let me choose this shirt. Let me choose. I mean, no, this is not a shirt. This is an hanger. So let me look for another product. Okay, let me go for this. Let me go for this. I think these are boxers. These are men boxers. Okay. Now look at this product. Let's say I want to buy this product on 1688. Right? Okay, let me translate for better understanding. Okay. Children's underwear, boys boxers brief. Okay, these children's underwears and boys boxers. Now the first thing you have to, okay, they're asking me that I should continue with the app, but I reject it. I reject it there. So now, uh, what you are going to be looking for in this website first is, does it has an MOQ? MOQ. I don't think it has. Because if it is there, they should have written minimum order of quantity. Minimum order of quantity that you can import on this particular product, but we can't actually find it. Now let me go to how you can know the attributes of this product. You want to know what this product is made for, the type of product, the type of quality it is, right? You want to know, is it really men's boxer or children's boxer? Now this how you find it. Can you see this attribute? You click on this attribute. Can you see now? So this everything about the product, right? Depending on the type of product you want to buy, this how you can find the attribute, the property of that particular product. Can you see now? Product property. You click on that place that you see attributes. That's if you want to know about the the attribute, the quality of that particular product. Now can you see now, this everything about the product. Fabric name cotton, so it shows the product is made of cotton. Security level category A, that is of good quality. Applicable gender boy, so it shows the boxer is for boy, right? So the brand, the listing year session. So can you see now? This everything about the product. Now this is also where you find uh they also write this thing suitable for age. That is so that you can know the age, so that you don't import men's boxer for children, right? So you have to know who this product is suitable for. Did you understand? So these are the things you have to check out for while making your importation, right? Now This also where you check the product. So you also have to know the product of the weight of the product you want to import, but we can't find the product here. So another place you can find the weight rather. Another place you can find the weight is to scroll down. I mean the last ahead. You scroll down to the last end. So you look for this place. You look for this place. You look for this place. And so if you can't still find it, the next thing is to chat with the supplier or the manufacturer, right? But I'm not going to be showing you that here, how to chat a manufacturer. I'm going to be doing that in our last video. But now you can chat manufacturer and also make payment, right? So that will be in our next video. That is the last video rather, right? So now the next thing you want to check is specification. That is the specification of that product, right? So you click here. That is, we have 6 types suitable for height and 8 colors available. This when you select colors that you want. Now I'm clicking on it right now. So you have to read the everything on the website so that you don't make mistake. Can you see this is the color, different type of color you want, right? So this is the price of that product. Product is 20.60 yuan. So in Nigerian currency that's around 2000 naira if I'm correct, right? So this is the colors. These are available colors. These are the available colors, right? I think all of them are of the same color if I'm correct. Okay. Now this is the size. Can you see? Can you see? From 28, from 20 to 28, from 28 to 38. This is large. This is XL, extra large. This is XXL, extra large. This is 3XL, that is extra large. 4XL, same thing, that is 4 times large. Now to select the quantity, you click on this plus. This place you see plus sign, right? Maybe I want this size 20 to 28, which is small size or medium size. I want one. I want large. I want one. Extra large. I want one, right? I want extra large. I want one. Can you see? Can you see that as I'm clicking, the money is adding here, right? This one too, I want one. Are you with me now? So this one too, I also want one. So that's how you'll be clicking it. Or let's say, okay, you want more than, or let's say you want more than one. You can click two, or you want to choose four in this 4x large, right? So you can click, depending on the products you want, right? Now, so let's say let's say you want to buy another thing, you are not ready to make payment. Let's see how many have I choose here. This 2 plus 2 4, 5 6 7 89. I've chosen 9 products. Now let's say you are not ready to make payments. You also want to choose another thing. Let's say you want to also import clothes, right? Or you want to import another thing. Now this is what you will do, right? This is what you will do. You click here. Can you see now? You click add to cart. Can you see now? This where you click on, right? You click here. But let's say you want to pay. This is where you click, right? So I've added to cart. So it has already saved. I've already saved it like that. So yeah, I'm not showing you how to pay. Now next video I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be showing you how to pay a supplier directly, right? But this one is just how you can select products to know the size of products that you want. So in our next class we'll continue. Thank you for watching the video.